But say, come on, folks. You're like, come on, folks. Gee, them G's showing out. They ain't let the GDs in the dough. They ain't let the GDs in the dough. GD, 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 They ain't let the GDs in the dough. Hey man, only out of town. And I ain't trying to say that to be saying that, but out of town, man, it be a whole different. Like Chicago, this shit was going on, I be scared as hell. I be thinking they gonna up a 50 shot. But Arizona, niggas just be, I don't know. I don't got nothing to say.